ice cream, come get your ice cream. Also, some spicy talking, just saying. Whoa, that's a lot of people. Well, first, come get your ice cream.
I would like a lollipop and a donut.
Okay, let me get that. That's over here, and it's down. Got your lollipop, and I'm gonna get the donut. Oh. Okay, now let me put in this packaging. Come get your stuff. It's gonna be right here. Oh. It's right there. Next. Okay, come here, hon. I think I want that caramel, and also I think I would like a pretzel. No, not a pretzel, a cone. Here's your stuff. Okay. Oh, and also it's $3.50. Okay, here, let me pay you. Here. Thank you. Come on, third person.
I would like that ice cream with it's a snow cone.
Anything else?
I would like this one.
Okay, that's all right.
Mm-hmm.
So here's your order, and that will be $2.56. Okay. Thank you. And next person, I would like the dark chocolate and the dark chocolate donut, and how about some let me think. Oh yeah, a big lollipop with two sticks, and I would like those Kool-Aids, and yeah, that will be all. Okay, I think that will be $10.66. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, let me give you the money. There you go. Oh my god, this is a lot. Okay, thank you. Bye. Oh my god. Okay, bye. Oh, hey, Anna. You're my bestie. Okay, what would you like to order, Anna?
I want a chocolate cookie and a pink lollipop and a pink donut.
Okay, your order will be $12.99.
Oh my god, that's so much.
Thank you for the money. Okay, let me get you yours. Also, you can add like one of these ingredients, like there's strawberry and chocolate. So do you want to add any of these to your lollipop or your donut?
I want to add it to my donut.
Okay, what flavor?
Chocolate.
Okay. Since you said chocolate, then have a chocolatey day. Bye. Last person. Hi. Oh my god, this is a big family. Well, the more you have, the more it costs, okay? So I would pay you less, but this is my job, so what would you like to have? Well, I would like the pretzel, also a puppuccino for the dog. Also, we would like the last donut, whatever you have, and a lollipop, and I think that should be all. Oh yeah, also if you have a price, just give us a price. We also have an exclusive tahin, so if you would like to add that to anything, then that's okay. Oh, and also my daughter wanted a snow cone, 2 snow cones, please. Oh, sure, let me go get it. Oh, no, I gotta tell her there's only one left. Miss, this is a problem here. Yes, what is it? There's only 1 snow cone left. Oh, well, that's fine. They can just share it. Mommy, I don't want to share with Catherine. She's always spitting on the drinks. I don't want to. Mommy. I don't want to. Well, I'll give you a snow cone, but there's only 1 left, okay? Oh, that's fine. Just give me it. Okay, let me grab it. Okay, let me put it right here. Here's your order, miss. Thank you. How much will it cost? $99.99. Oh no, my wallet is gonna be. I'm gonna spend all my money. Okay, here you go. Thank you very much and have a good day. I'm so sorry it cost so much. Oh, by the way, here's your guys' prizes. I only have one prize left. Okay. I got it. I got the peas. Okay. So here's the prize and you guys can have it. Okay, girls. So, oh, miss, I forgot. Can I have a bag? That's too much stuff. Oh boy. Okay, I'll give you. Oh my God, guys. Okay, sweetie, we have to eat quick because it's so windy. Oh my God. Okay, we moved to a safer spot if it is, but you girls, I told you to eat fast. Quick. Mommy, but I want that toy. Can I please have it? Thank you. I got it from. You know what, girls? You're not having this toy at all. I'm gonna keep it in my pocket, and you're not gonna have it at all. I didn't even want that toy. Oh my God, that was so scary. We had to move again. This is so good. I really want to eat this, but this is for the dog. Hey, Mocha, come here. You really like that puppuccino, right, Mocha? Oh, Mom, can we go now? I'm really bored. Sure, let's go inside now. Well, we have to go to bed anyways. Okay, let's pack up. Okay, I'm all packed up, Mom. Okay, let's go home. Back home and super comfy.